0 degrees in Cincinnati, 0 degrees in a city that averages 23 degrees for low temperatures in early February, and we are not just talking about one cold morning, we're talking about a multi-day Arctic outbreak that could test infrastructure limits across regions that simply don't experience this kind of sustained freeze. Is your area ready for what could be the most significant winter weather event of the season? Right now, models are converging on a dangerous combination. A major snowstorm that buries the Midwest and Northeast under heavy accumulations, immediately followed by an Arctic air mass so cold that it threatens everything from water systems to power grids to simple mobility. In the next 90 seconds, you'll get precise timing for your city, specific snow and temperature forecasts, and an explanation of why the meteorological setup behind this creates such high confidence that this is really going to happen. Your location in the comments right now, city and state. Tomorrow's forecast includes personalized updates based on viewer locations, and with this much territory being affected, I want to make sure your specific area gets detailed coverage. Here is what you need to know immediately. Detroit, 6 degrees Thursday morning after Wednesday's snowstorm dumps 9 to 15 inches. Memphis, 10 degrees Thursday morning in a city where that kind of cold happens maybe once every 3 to 5 years. Boston, 8 degrees Friday morning with wind chills below 0. Birmingham, Alabama, 13 degrees Thursday morning, infrastructure threatening cold for you. Grand Rapids, Michigan, 3 degrees Thursday morning with additional heavy lake effect snow Wednesday through Friday, bringing combined totals potentially over 2 feet. The meteorology here is textbook but extreme. An upper-level low-pressure system, what we call a closed low because it's completely cut off from the main jet stream, develops over the central U.S. Monday and tracks northeast through Wednesday. This creates the snowstorm. Behind it, the polar jet stream buckles southward, allowing a very cold Canadian air mass to spill into the U.S. with minimal modification. That air mass has been sitting over northern Canada for over a week, getting colder each night, and now it's heading south. Both the American GFS model and the European ECMWF model show this pattern clearly. They've been consistent for 4 days now on the big picture, which gives us high confidence. Where they disagree, and this matters, is on 2 specific details. First, the exact track of the snowstorm, which changes snow totals by 3 to 6 inches for cities along a line from Missouri through Pennsylvania. Second, how far south the core of the coldest air penetrates, which determines whether cities like Little Rock and Birmingham see upper teens or low teens Thursday morning. Let me take you through this systematically, region by region, because each area faces different challenges and different timing. I'll mix up how I present this so it doesn't feel like you read just hearing a list. I want you to understand what's coming for your specific location, starting where the system develops. Pueblo, Colorado, Sunday night you start seeing snow, 3 to 6 inches by Monday morning. Not huge for you, but travel impacts are likely. Colorado Springs, Sunday night through Monday, 5 to 9 inches. The I-25 corridor from Colorado Springs through Denver sees the initial development of this system. Denver, Sunday night through Monday daytime, 7 to 11 inches. Denver International Airport will see delays Sunday night and Monday. By Monday night, temperatures drop to around 0. Cheyenne, Wyoming, Sunday night through Monday, 4 to 7 inches, then -5 degrees Monday night, moving east into Kansas. Goodland in western Kansas, Monday afternoon, 2 to 5 inches. Garden City, southwest Kansas, Monday afternoon into Monday evening, 3 to 6 inches. Wichita, Monday evening is when you start seeing snow. By Tuesday morning, 4 to 7 inches on the ground. Tuesday morning commute is problematic. Then temperatures fall throughout Tuesday, reaching 16 degrees by Tuesday night. Wednesday morning, 12 degrees. Thursday morning, 9 degrees. Hutchinson and Salina in central Kansas. Monday evening through Tuesday morning, 5 to 8 inches. 14 degrees Wednesday morning, 11 degrees Thursday morning. Kansas City, Metro, Missouri, and Kansas sides. This is significant. Monday evening, around 6 p.m., snow develops just as evening commute is underway. This intensifies overnight Monday, continues heavy at times through Tuesday morning and early afternoon before tapering. Total accumulation across the metro, 11 to 16 inches, with localized higher amounts possible in areas that see training snow bands or thundersnow. Thundersnow is possible with this system. The dynamics support it, and where that happens, snowfall rates can hit 2 to 4 inches per hour for brief periods. Roads Tuesday are going to be in bad shape. Then Wednesday morning, 13 degrees. Thursday morning, 7 degrees. Friday morning, 9 degrees. St. Joseph, northwest Missouri. Monday evening through Tuesday, 8 to 12 inches. 12 degrees Wednesday, 8 degrees Thursday. Columbia, central Missouri. Monday night through Tuesday, 6 to 10 inches. 13 degrees Wednesday, 10 degrees Thursday, St. Louis, and here S, where track uncertainty becomes relevant. Monday night through Tuesday, expecting somewhere between 6 and 11 inches, depending on whether the low pressure tracks 75 miles north or south of current forecasts. That uncertainty should resolve by tomorrow. What is certain? 16 degrees Wednesday morning, 12 degrees Thursday morning, 13 degrees Friday morning. Springfield in southwest Missouri, Monday night through Tuesday, 4 to 8 inches. You're on the southern fringe. 15 degrees Wednesday, 11 degrees Thursday. Now Iowa, where this becomes a high-end event. Sioux City, western Iowa, Monday evening through Tuesday, 8 to 13 inches. Then -5 degrees Thursday morning, -8 Friday morning. Des Moines, Monday evening through Tuesday night, and this is going to be rough. Snow develops Monday evening, becomes heavy overnight Monday, continues through Tuesday with occasional heavy bands, finally ends Tuesday evening. Accumulation 12 to 18 inches. Some areas could see 20 inches if persistent bands set up. Winds Tuesday gust to 35 to 40 miles per hour, creating significant blowing and drifting. Visibility drops to near zero in heavier snow. This is borderline blizzard conditions at times. Wednesday morning, 3 degrees. Thursday morning, -1 degree. Friday morning, -4 degrees. Wind chills. Thursday night through Friday morning will be in the -20 to -28 range. Cedar Rapids, Monday evening through Tuesday, 9 to 14 inches. 1 degree Thursday morning, -2 Friday morning. Waterloo, northern Iowa, Monday evening through Tuesday, 10 to 15 inches. -1 Thursday, -4 Friday. Dubuque on the Mississippi River, Monday evening through Tuesday, 8 to 13 inches. 0 degrees Thursday, -3 Friday. Davenport and the Quad Cities, Monday evening through Tuesday, 9 to 13 inches. 3 degrees Thursday, 0 Friday. Iowa City, Monday evening through Tuesday, 8 to 12 inches. 2 degrees Thursday, -1 Friday. Nebraska cities. Omaha, Monday evening through Tuesday, 10 to 15 inches. Then Thursday morning, 5 degrees. Friday morning, 0 degrees. Wind chills in the -20s. Lincoln, Monday evening through Tuesday, 9 to 14 inches. 7 degrees Wednesday, 4 degrees Thursday, 1 degree Friday. Grand Island, central Nebraska, Monday afternoon through Tuesday, 7 to 12 inches. 8 degrees Wednesday, 3 degrees Thursday. Now Illinois, where Chicago faces a significant event. Chicago, Tuesday morning, probably around 4 or 5 a.m., snow develops on the western edge of the metro. By 6 or 7 a.m. Tuesday morning, it is snowing across the entire area and snowing hard. The Tuesday morning commute is going to be severely disrupted. We are talking about potential expressway closures, multi-hour delays, minimum possible shutdowns of some routes. Snow continues heavy through Tuesday morning and midday, gradually tapers Tuesday evening, ends late Tuesday night. Accumulation, 14 to 20 inches across most of the metro. The southern and western suburbs areas like Joliet, Naperville, Aurora could see 22 to 26 inches in persistent heavy bands. This is a major snowstorm by any standard, even for Chicago. Then the cold arrives. Thursday morning, 2 degrees. Friday morning, -2 degrees. Wind chills Thursday night through Friday morning could approach -28 to -32. Rockford, northwest Illinois, Tuesday morning through Tuesday night, 12 to 17 inches. 0 degrees Thursday, -3 Friday. Peoria, central Illinois, Tuesday morning through Tuesday evening, 8 to 13 inches. 4 degrees Thursday, 1 degree Friday. Springfield, state capital, Tuesday through Tuesday evening, 7 to 12 inches. 5 degrees Thursday, 2 degrees Friday. Champaign-Urbana, east central Illinois, Tuesday morning through Tuesday evening, 9 to 13 inches. 4 degrees Thursday, 1 degree Friday. Now Wisconsin. Milwaukee, Tuesday morning around 2 or 3 a.m., snow develops. By morning rush hour Tuesday, you've got 4 to 6 inches already, and it is still snowing heavily. This continues all day Tuesday, ending Tuesday evening, 11 to 17 inches total. Then Wednesday morning, 0 degrees. Thursday morning, -3 degrees. Friday morning, -6 degrees. Wind chills. Wednesday night through Friday morning will be in the -25 to -30 range. Madison, Tuesday morning through Tuesday evening, 10 to 15 inches. Thursday morning, -4 degrees. Friday morning, -7 degrees. Green Bay, Tuesday morning through Tuesday evening, 9 to 15 inches. Thursday morning, -8 degrees. Friday morning, -11 degrees. Wind chills could hit -35. Appleton, Tuesday morning through Tuesday evening, 8 to 14 inches. -6 Thursday, -9 Friday. Eau Claire, northwest Wisconsin, Tuesday morning through Tuesday evening, 9 to 14 inches. -8 Thursday, -11 Friday. La Crosse on the Mississippi River, Tuesday morning through Tuesday evening, 8 to 13 inches. -5 Thursday, -7 Friday, Minnesota, where the cold becomes most extreme. Minneapolis-St. Paul, Tuesday morning through Tuesday evening, 8 to 14 inches of snow. Then the temperature drops. Wednesday morning, -3 degrees. Thursday morning, -7 degrees. Friday morning, -10 degrees. Saturday morning, -8 degrees. 4 consecutive mornings below zero, with wind chills in the -28 to -38 range during that period. Duluth on Lake Superior, Tuesday morning through Tuesday night, 7 to 12 inches from the main system. Then lake effect Wednesday through Friday could add another 8 to 16 inches. Temperature, -9 degrees Thursday, -12 Friday. Rochester, Tuesday morning through Tuesday evening, 7 to 12 inches. -7 Thursday, -10 Friday. St. Cloud, Tuesday morning through Tuesday evening, 8 to 13 inches. -8 Thursday, -11 Friday. Mankato, south central Minnesota, Tuesday through Tuesday night, 9 to 13 inches. -5 Thursday, -8 Friday. The Dakotas, epicenter of the cold. Fargo, Tuesday morning through Tuesday evening, 6 to 11 inches of snow. Then the Arctic outbreak. Wednesday morning, -12 degrees. Thursday morning, -16 degrees. Friday morning, -19 degrees. Saturday morning, -15 degrees. Wind chills during this stretch will range from -38 to -48. That's life-threatening cold. That is cold where exposed skin gets frostbite in 5 to 8 minutes. That's cold where your car might not start even if it's been running fine all winter. Bismarck, Tuesday through Tuesday night, 5 to 10 inches of snow. -11 Thursday, -14 Friday, -12 Saturday. Grand Forks on the Minnesota border, Tuesday through Tuesday night, 6 to 11 inches. -14 Thursday, -17 Friday. Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Monday night through Tuesday, 8 to 13 inches. -9 Thursday, -12 Friday. Rapid City, western South Dakota, Monday afternoon through Tuesday morning, 4 to 8 inches. -4 Thursday, -6 Friday. Now Indiana, Indianapolis, Tuesday afternoon through Wednesday morning. And there's a complication. When snow begins Tuesday afternoon, temperatures will be right around 32 degrees. This means it could start as sleet or freezing rain for an hour or two before transitioning to all snow. If it transitions quickly, you are looking at 10 to 14 inches. If there is an extended mix period, that could reduce totals to 7 to 11 inches. Either way, you are getting significant accumulation. Then Thursday morning, 6 degrees. Friday morning, 3 degrees. Fort Wayne, northeast Indiana, Tuesday afternoon through Wednesday morning, 8 to 13 inches. 4 degrees Thursday, 1 degree Friday. Evansville, southwest Indiana on the Ohio River, Tuesday evening through Wednesday morning, 4 to 8 inches. Urea on the southern edge, 12 degrees Thursday, 9 degrees Friday. South Bend, northern Indiana, Tuesday afternoon through Tuesday night, 9 to 14 inches, possibly enhanced by lake effect. 3 degrees Thursday, 0 Friday. Terre Haute, western Indiana, Tuesday afternoon through Tuesday evening, 6 to 10 inches. 10 degrees Thursday, 7 degrees Friday. Bloomington, south central Indiana, Tuesday evening through Wednesday morning, 5 to 9 inches. 9 degrees Thursday, 6 degrees Friday. Michigan, where lake effect adds to the story. Detroit, Tuesday afternoon through Tuesday evening, 10 to 16 inches from the main system. Some lake effect enhancement possible. Wednesday, Thursday morning, 6 degrees. Friday morning, 3 degrees. Wind chills Thursday and Friday will be in the -15 to -22 range. Grand Rapids, western Michigan, Tuesday afternoon through Tuesday night, 9 to 14 inches from the main system. Then Wednesday through Friday, lake effect off Lake Michigan adds another 9 to 17 inches. Combined totals in persistent lake effect areas could reach 25 to 30 inches. Temperature 3 degrees Thursday, 0 Friday, -2 Saturday. Lansing, central Michigan, Tuesday afternoon through Tuesday evening, 8 to 13 inches. 4 degrees Thursday, 1 degree Friday. Kalamazoo, southwest Michigan, Tuesday afternoon through Tuesday night, 8 to 12 inches from the main system. Then lake effect enhancement Wednesday through Thursday could add 6 to 12 more. 5 degrees Thursday, 2 degrees Friday. Flint, Tuesday afternoon through Tuesday evening, 9 to 14 inches. 5 degrees Thursday, 2 degrees Friday. Saginaw, Tuesday afternoon through Tuesday evening, 8 to 13 inches. 6 degrees Thursday, 3 degrees Friday. Now Ohio. Columbus, Tuesday evening through Wednesday morning, 8 to 12 inches. 7 degrees Thursday, 4 degrees Friday. Dayton, Tuesday evening through Wednesday morning, 7 to 11 inches. 6 degrees Thursday, 3 degrees Friday. Cincinnati, I mentioned 0 degrees at the start. Tuesday evening through Wednesday morning brings 6 to 10 inches of snow. You re on the southern edge where track matters, but the cold is more certain. Thursday morning, 0 degrees. Friday morning, 3 degrees below zero. That's extremely cold for you, and it is going to expose every vulnerability in water infrastructure. Toledo, Tuesday afternoon through Tuesday night, 9 to 13 inches. 6 degrees Thursday, 3 degrees Friday. Cleveland, this is complex and potentially severe. Main system Tuesday evening through Wednesday morning brings 9 to 14 inches. Then Wednesday afternoon, lake effect snow develops off Lake Erie and continues through Friday. Additional accumulation from lake effect in the traditional snow belts east and southeast of Cleveland, 12 to 22 inches. Combined totals in the hardest hit lake effect zones could reach 28 to 35 inches. Temperature 4 degrees Friday, 1 degree Saturday. Wind chills Friday and Saturday will be well below zero. Akron, Canton, Youngstown, all in lake effect territory. Main system snow plus days of lake effect could bring combined totals of 18 to 28 inches depending on your specific location relative to lake effect bands. Mansfield, North Central Ohio, Tuesday evening through Wednesday morning, 7 to 12 inches from the main system, possible lake effect enhancement. 6 degrees Thursday, 3 degrees Friday, Pennsylvania. Pittsburgh, Tuesday evening through Wednesday morning, 6 to 11 inches. You are on a transition line, so there's uncertainty. 11 degrees Thursday, 8 degrees Friday. Erie on Lake Erie, Tuesday evening through Wednesday morning, 7 to 12 inches from the main system. Then heavy lake effect Wednesday through Friday could add another 15 to 25 inches. Combined totals in persistent lake effect south of Erie could approach 30 to 40 inches. 5 degrees Friday, 2 degrees Saturday. State College, Central Pennsylvania Mountains, Tuesday evening through Wednesday morning, 5 to 10 inches. 10 degrees Thursday, 7 degrees Friday. Scranton, Northeast Pennsylvania, Tuesday evening through Wednesday morning, 6 to 11 inches. 9 degrees Thursday, 6 degrees Friday. Allentown, Lehigh Valley, Tuesday evening through Wednesday morning, 5 to 9 inches. 10 degrees Thursday, 7 degrees Friday. Harrisburg, Tuesday evening through Wednesday morning, 4 to 8 inches. 11 degrees Thursday, 8 degrees Friday. Philadelphia, Tuesday evening through Wednesday daytime, 3 to 8 inches, with track uncertainty affecting totals. 11 degrees Thursday, 10 degrees Friday. Now the major northeast metros. Buffalo, Tuesday night through Wednesday morning, 9 to 14 inches from the main system. Then, lake effect Wednesday afternoon through Saturday brings another 20 to 35 inches. We are talking about a prolonged, intense lake effect event with temperatures cold enough to maximize snow production efficiency. Some areas south of Buffalo and Orchard Park, Hamburg, south to Springville could see combined totals approaching 40 to 50 inches. That's over 4 feet of snow. Temperature, 2 degrees Friday, -1 Saturday, -3 Sunday. Rochester, Tuesday night through Wednesday, 8 to 13 inches from the main system. Lake effect enhancement Wednesday through Friday adds 6 to 14 more. 6 degrees Friday, 3 degrees Saturday. Syracuse, Tuesday night through Wednesday morning, 8 to 13 inches. Then lake effect Wednesday through Thursday possible. 4 degrees Friday, 1 degree Saturday. Albany, Capital Region, Wednesday morning through Wednesday afternoon, 7 to 11 inches. 5 degrees Friday, 2 degrees Saturday. Boston, Wednesday is your snow day. Develops Wednesday morning, becomes heavy Wednesday afternoon and early evening, ends late Wednesday night. 6 to 12 inches across the metro with the potential for higher amounts northwest of the city toward Worcester. This timing is problematic because it impacts both Wednesday afternoon and evening commutes. Logan Airport will see significant delays and cancellations. The T will struggle. Then Thursday morning, 8 degrees. Friday morning, 7 degrees. That is the coldest air of the entire winter season. Wind chills Thursday and Friday mornings will be near 0 or several degrees below throughout the metro. Providence, very similar to Boston. 7 to 11 inches Wednesday, then 8 degrees Thursday, 7 degrees Friday. Hartford, Connecticut, Wednesday daytime through Wednesday evening, 6 to 10 inches, 7 degrees Thursday, 6 degrees Friday. Portland, Maine, Wednesday into Wednesday night, 5 to 10 inches, 6 degrees Friday, 3 degrees Saturday. Manchester, New Hampshire, Wednesday into Wednesday night, 6 to 11 inches, 5 degrees Friday, 2 degrees Saturday. Burlington, Vermont, Wednesday morning through Wednesday afternoon, 7 to 12 inches. 0 degrees Friday, -3 Saturday. Now, New York City, and this is frustrating, but I have to be honest about uncertainty. Wednesday, starting late Tuesday night in some areas, heaviest during Wednesday daytime, ending Wednesday evening. Snow totals, anywhere from 5 to 11 inches depending on the exact track. If the low pressure tracks 100 miles further east than currently forecast, you could see 12 to 16 inches. If it tracks 100 miles west, you might only see 3 to 7 inches. For a city of 8 million people, that range is problematic, but we can narrow it further at this lead time. By tomorrow morning, we should have much better clarity. What I can tell you with near certainty is the cold. Thursday morning, 9 degrees in Central Park, 6 to 8 degrees in the outer boroughs and suburbs. Friday morning, 8 degrees. Wind chills Thursday and Friday mornings will be 0 to 5 below across the entire metro area. Newark, Jersey City, urban corridor of New Jersey, same track uncertainty as New York City, same snow range. Long Island, Nassau, and Suffolk counties, 5 to 10 inches Wednesday with same track caveat. 9 degrees Thursday at Islip, 7 degrees Friday. Baltimore, Tuesday night through Wednesday, 2 to 7 inches possible. You reach far enough south that if the storm tracks north of forecast, you could see less. 15 degrees Thursday, 14 degrees Friday. Washington, D.C., you are on the very southern edge. Tuesday night through Wednesday, 1 to 4 inches possible. Could be rain or mix in immediate downtown depending on temperatures at the surface. 17 degrees Thursday, 16 degrees Friday. Now the south, where infrastructure concerns dominate. Richmond, Virginia, Tuesday night into Wednesday, 2 to 5 inches possible. Could be mix. 15 degrees Thursday, 14 degrees Friday. Norfolk, Virginia Beach, coastal areas, possible light mix Tuesday night, 18 degrees Thursday, 17 degrees Friday. Raleigh, North Carolina, Monday night into Tuesday, possible 2 to 5 inches of snow. Models disagree on moisture track here. Wednesday morning, 16 degrees. Thursday morning, 13 degrees. Friday morning, 14 degrees. Charlotte, Monday night into Tuesday, possible 1 to 4 inches. 15 degrees Wednesday, 12 degrees Thursday, 13 degrees Friday. Greensboro, Piedmont region, 1 to 4 inches possible Monday night into Tuesday. 14 degrees Wednesday, 11 degrees Thursday. Asheville Mountains, 3 to 8 inches possible Monday night into Tuesday. 12 degrees Wednesday, 9 degrees Thursday. Boone High Country, 4 to 9 inches Monday night into Tuesday. 8 degrees Wednesday, 5 degrees Thursday. Atlanta, possible light snow or wintry mix Monday night into Tuesday, maybe an inch, maybe nothing. Models show moisture but disagree on details. The cold is increasingly concerning. Tuesday morning, 17 degrees. Wednesday morning, 14 degrees. Thursday morning, 11 degrees. Friday morning, 12 degrees. Atlanta, you are looking at 4 consecutive mornings below freezing. 3 of them below 15 degrees. Your water infrastructure, your road treatment capabilities, your power grid, they're all going to be tested. This is the kind of sustained cold that finds every weakness. Athens, Northeast Georgia, 16 degrees Wednesday, 10 degrees Thursday. Macon, 17 degrees Wednesday, 14 degrees Thursday. Columbus on Alabama border, 16 degrees Wednesday, 13 degrees Thursday. Augusta, Eastern Georgia, 15 degrees Wednesday, 12 degrees Thursday. Savannah, coastal, 23 degrees Thursday, 22 degrees Friday. Charleston, South Carolina, coastal, 22 degrees Thursday, 21 degrees Friday. Columbia, South Carolina, 19 degrees Wednesday, 16 degrees Thursday. Greenville, upstate, 18 degrees Wednesday, 15 degrees Thursday. Spartanburg, 18 degrees Wednesday, 14 degrees Thursday. Tennessee, where model disagreement creates frustration. Nashville, the European model shows single digits Thursday morning somewhere between 5 and 8 degrees. The GFS shows 11 to 13 degrees. If the European verifies, that would be Nashville's coldest temperature since January 2019. Wednesday morning, 12 degrees. Thursday morning, between 5 and 13, depending on model. Friday morning, 10 degrees. Memphis, 11 degrees Wednesday, 9 degrees Thursday, 10 degrees Friday. Knoxville, 13 degrees Wednesday, 9 degrees Thursday. Chattanooga, 14 degrees Wednesday, 10 degrees Thursday. Clarksville, near Kentucky border, 12 degrees Wednesday, 7 degrees Thursday. Johnson City, eastern Tennessee, 13 degrees Wednesday, 9 degrees Thursday. Kentucky, Louisville, I mentioned 0 at the start for Cincinnati. Louisville is similar. 12 degrees Wednesday, 10 degrees Thursday, 7 degrees Friday. Lexington, 9 degrees Thursday, 6 degrees Friday. Bowling Green, 12 degrees Thursday, 9 degrees Friday. West Virginia, Charleston, 14 degrees Thursday, 11 degrees Friday. Huntington, 13 degrees Thursday, 10 degrees Friday. Morgantown, 11 degrees Thursday, 8 degrees Friday. Virginia Mountains, Roanoke, 15 degrees Thursday, 13 degrees Friday. Blacksburg, 13 degrees Thursday, 11 degrees Friday. Alabama, Birmingham, possible brief light snow or sleet. Monday night or Tuesday, marginal. 14 degrees Wednesday, 12 degrees Thursday, 13 degrees Friday. Montgomery, 17 degrees Wednesday, 14 degrees Thursday. Mobile, Gulf Coast, 25 degrees Thursday, 24 degrees Friday. Huntsville, 13 degrees Wednesday, 10 degrees Thursday. Tuscaloosa, 15 degrees Wednesday, 12 degrees Thursday, Mississippi. Jackson, 18 degrees Wednesday, 15 degrees Thursday. Tupelo, 14 degrees Wednesday, 11 degrees Thursday. Meridian, 16 degrees Wednesday, 13 degrees Thursday. Hattiesburg, southern Mississippi, 20 degrees Wednesday, 17 degrees Thursday. Louisiana, New Orleans, 24 degrees Wednesday, 21 degrees Thursday, 22 degrees Friday. 3 consecutive mornings at or near freezing. Baton Rouge, 22 degrees Wednesday, 19 degrees Thursday. Shreveport, 18 degrees Wednesday, 15 degrees Thursday. Lafayette, 23 degrees Wednesday, 20 degrees Thursday. Arkansas. Little Rock, possible light snow Monday night, then 13 degrees Wednesday, 10 degrees Thursday, 11 degrees Friday. Fayetteville, Northwest, 11 degrees Wednesday, 8 degrees Thursday. Fort Smith, 13 degrees Wednesday, 10 degrees Thursday. Jonesboro, Northeast, 12 degrees Wednesday, 9 degrees Thursday. Oklahoma. Oklahoma City, possible 2 to 6 inches Monday evening into Tuesday, then 15 degrees. Wednesday, 13 degrees Thursday. Tulsa, 15 degrees Wednesday, 12 degrees Thursday. Norman, 15 degrees Wednesday, 13 degrees Thursday. Texas. Dallas-Fort Worth, 19 degrees Wednesday night, 16 degrees Thursday night, 18 degrees Friday night. Cold enough to increase heating demand significantly. ERCOT will monitor closely. Houston, 24 degrees Wednesday, 21 degrees Thursday, 23 degrees Friday. San Antonio, 22 degrees Wednesday, 19 degrees Thursday. Austin, 21 degrees Wednesday, 18 degrees Thursday. This is not February 2021. That was catastrophic, sustained, single-digit and teen cold for days. This is significant cold that requires preparation, but is within the range Texas infrastructure should handle if people prepare. The sequence matters. Snow first, creating immediate problems and setting up the cold. Then Arctic air settling over snow-covered ground, amplifying the cold. Duration. This isn't a one cold morning. It has 3 to 4 days of below normal temperatures. For the South, sustained cold reveals infrastructure weaknesses. Pipes burst not necessarily on the coldest night, but on the second or third night as cold penetrates structures. Power demand stays high for days, stressing grids. Road treatments become less effective below 15 degrees. And potentially behind all this, another system around February 4th through 6th. Long-range models, specifically the GFS, show a coastal storm for the Northeast that timeframe. Confidence is low this far out, but if it happens while cities are still recovering, that compounds problems. Tomorrow's update focuses on refined snow totals with narrowed track uncertainty, temperature adjustments, dangerous wind chill details for upper Midwest, and preliminary information on that potential next system. Comment your location now for tomorrow as personalized coverage. Video live by 8 a.m. Eastern with all updates. Preparation timeline: Monday night for snow areas, Wednesday for cold everywhere.